YouTube. We are currently sitting in my 2011 Infiniti G37 sedan. And it's a very rainy day out here in Texas, out here in Dallas to be exact. But I will take the rain over fucking snow any day. So let's get it. What we're gonna be doing today is getting my mufflers and my resonators deleted. So this shit is about to be very loud from what the guy at the muffler shop told me. But I don't, oh shit, excuse me. I don't think it's gonna be crazy loud because it's only a V6. So it's not gonna be probably ridiculous because before I had this car, I had a Camaro and that thing chopped. So I know this ain't gonna be nothing compared to that. But I probably will piss off my neighbors, especially them over there. They're the only ones that don't fuck with me, so fuck them too. But all right, man, let's get this shit fucking rolling. First, I gotta stop off at the gas station, top off my gas, and get some smell good for my car, because it don't smell too presentable at the moment, if you understand me. You dig? Don't get it fucked up or misconstrued. And I'm backing out my driveway right now, so I'm gonna check in with you guys either when I get to the gas station or when I get to the muffler shop. Stay tuned. All right, I'm headed to my destination. I'm out here at AAA Muffler and Brake in Terrell, Texas. Now, this is no free promo if they fuck my shit up. So if y'all see this clip, it mean they hooked me up with a good little price and they ain't even no bullshit quality work. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm about to go in here and see what they talking about. And hopefully I can get a clip of the Infiniti when they put it on the lift and they start taking stuff off. But just stay tuned and see what happens. All right, so I'm in the muffler shop right now as we speak. Dude, cool as shit. He got an Infiniti, he already told me. Police was fucking with him because the shit was loud. But hey, we live in Texas, so some cops are gonna be cool with it, some not. This is what it is. Take my L's if I get it. But even if I take an L, it's always been a W. You know what I'm talking about? Dude that works in the shop got a loud ass fucking Camaro. I dig it. I'm about to check back in on these guys to see what's going on. They said about an hour or two, so I'll see y'all in. Hey, you right about that. That is gonna be loud.
lot better.